Hello, my name is Donna Reed, and I am an early literacy reading specialist with Houston ISD Reading Academy. Today, I will show you how to use a kinesthetic activity to teach phonemic awareness. Kinesthetic activity uses body movement and gestures to represent individual sounds and can help students retain more information while having fun learning. In this kinesthetic activity, we will use our fingers to stretch out words. This is known as finger stretching. Begin by placing your hand palms down on your chest and say the word you want to sound out. Lift your hand from your chest, say the sound in the word, extending the thumb, then the fingers to represent each sound you hear. Then say the word again by placing your hand with fingers extended on your chest. Let's get started. The first word is hop. I will place my open hand on my chest and say the word hop. Now I will lift my hand and extend my thumb, then my fingers as I say the sound. P. Now I will place my extended fingers on my chest as I say the word again. Hop. Here's another one. The word is meat. I will place my open hand on my chest and say the word meat. Next, I will stretch the word starting with the thumb. Eat. Finally, I will place my extended fingers on my chest and say the word meat. Let's try one together. Say the word frog. 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 Excellent job finger stretching the word frog. It's important to remember when using kinesthetic activities to sound our words to focus on the sounds in the words and not the letters. Kinesthetic activity helps students retain more information while having fun learning. Thanks for tuning in and learning how to use finger stretching with me.